Hey guys, I am finally starting a YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the latest flagship model from Samsung, the Galaxy S23. So stay tuned and let's dive right into the unboxing. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Thank you.
Okay, you already know. Got this packet right here. Alright. Let's get into it. Let's get into this. There we go. The green Galaxy S23. We got a 256 gigabyte version right there. Yes, sir. Oof. There we go. We have the phone right there. Oof, okay. Forgot it coming fine. Alright, gonna dust this off. Peel this. Oh, yeah, didn't need to peel that. Toss that away.
So starting with camera, we've got a 50 megapixel plus 10 plus 12 setup in the back for wide, telephoto, and ultra wide respectively. So those back cameras can shoot all the way up to 4K at 60 FPS and even further at 8K and 30 FPS. Even the iPhone 14 Pros can shoot that high. Come on, do better, Apple. This device has a 6.1-inch display, 120Hz AMOLED, so you get those deep blacks, and it's a 1080p display with HDR10+. Device ships with One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, and it rocks the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. That is a beast, guys.
Nothing special. We have the Type-C to C cable, semi-ejector tool, all basic stuff right there. Quick start guide.
And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means a lot to me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Alright, that's it for today. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed.